Welcome to the ultimate guide to achieving $250,000 in affiliate earnings in 2025. This blueprint is packed with actionable insights. Affiliate marketing continues to grow due to expanding digital economy, low startup costs, and AI integration for better engagement. Consider these high-converting niches for 2025: personal finance, health and wellness, software and SaaS, e-learning, and eco-friendly products. Select winning programs by ensuring high commission rates, recurring commissions, trusted brands, and longer cookie durations. Drive traffic using effective strategies: content marketing, email marketing, paid ads, and community engagement. Invest in these tools: website builders, SEO tools, content creation apps, and analytics platforms for affiliate success. Scale your business by delegating tasks, expanding traffic sources, optimizing conversion rates, and reinvesting profits. Avoid these mistakes: promoting low-quality products, neglecting compliance, ignoring analytics, and spreading too thin. By choosing the right niches, leveraging tools, and refining strategies, you can achieve remarkable success in affiliate marketing.